who may not be holding the microphone, but who carry the same prayers in their hearts. Tatay ko, isang bata ako. I know what it means to dream. And I know a lot of people like children like me are hoping for a better future. A future where we all feel safe, loved, and proud to be a Filipino. Thank you, Tatay Digong, for showing us what it means to be strong and brave. Even when things are difficult. You made tough choices. Isang taghan mo suko. You didn't care because you believed in putting the country first. You never backed down. But you kakahadlok. Ang imong war on drugs? Paano dito sa amot ng mga bata? Because you wanted to protect us. Ikaw ang leader na nag-inspire sa amin. You made us believe that loving our country means standing up for what is right. Kung sa kakaiso, you are not contented, especially sa mga uniform personnel who keeps us safe. Our OFWs, our modern-day heroes, and most of all, us, children, who carry the dreams of tomorrow. That's why it breaks my heart that you're far away right now, especially on your 80th birthday. Pati ako, kung ano kaayo ang akong heart. Thinking, kung okay na ba ka diha? Kung paangay lang ka sa ilang pagkakan? Wala ka ka nag-lisod na ikaw na mag-ilis na walay katabang sa iyong sakit. Pero bisan, layo ka sa among karon, my wish is that you are given the mental, emotional, and spiritual strength to endure this test. Kay muli kami kadilitay, kay magpaong-tang inuunan, parisan, bitaw, Tatay Digong, we will not stop fighting for you in the same way you protected us and kept us safe during your time as president. We will not stop telling the world what a great leader you are. And even now, you are still willing to give your life for this country. That kind of love is rare and unforgettable. We will not stop until makauli ka diri sa Mindanao. But until then, we will keep on praying. Not just today, but every single day. Kaya kung makita lang ni Mutay, kung sa kadaghan ang tao diri karon, nagdaghan gihapon tao, isa nagulan, lipay, because this is more than a gathering. This is a movement. Your movement. You are not just a leader. You are a nation builder. You awakened a generation. You challenged us to be better citizens. You left a mark on leadership that will be remembered for generations and generations to come. Hinalingan mo masyadong tayo. Di pasigatan yun. And that's why we are here. That's why we wear green. That's why we stand, and that's why we pray. Because you taught us to never give up. You made us believe again. Once again, Tatay Digong, happy 80th birthday! And we're all waiting not just for your return, but for your homecoming as a hero. Daghang salamat and good evening, everyone. Thank you.
Alright, kids, everybody! Mag-storya ka! Happy birthday, Tatay Digong! Ready? Alright, so blow your candle.
And at the count of 3, atong i-blow atong candle. 1, 2, 3. Blow your candle. Big round of applause please para sa ating mga kabataan na pinagsigay sa